Okay, so we're going back down in the market. So I'm gonna take this order to go
Order
down
filled.
with the market. I'm gonna put my stop loss. Wow, what's going on? Yeah, put my. It's weird. There we go. I think something's making my computer run a little funny, a little funky. But anyway, so this is Friday live market here. You can see I got my stop loss here, slightly above the EMA. And then I got my take profit right down here. Okay, so we've been in a persistent downswing of the market. And let me draw it out so you can really see what I'm talking about. All right. Yeah, that'd be good. Okay. So we've been going down. We had this correction going up. It's touching that EMA, that line, the little purple line. And then went down again. And then it went up. And then it went down. And it came back up again, right, to this point. And now we're striving to go back down, and I believe it's going to go all the way down to this line. I got my take profit a little bit earlier than that line, okay? So let's see if it can get all the way down there like I suppose. Right now, in that little video trade what I just came in at, we're already up $300, right? $322. Okay. And I want you to understand that you're going to be more profitable every time you trade with the trend. Okay. Most people, again, in that short period of time, we're talking about minutes, right? On a trade day like this, we already close to about $400 of profit, right? We were already on before we came into this trade. We was already up like $320. So when you see the ending balance, don't get frazzled. It's because we already had $320 already in the positive. So we already $500 in this trade. Again, this is real time. It's not market replay. This is a live market. Look at Friday right now, today. At the market, this is the Nasdaq. You can see that we at this price. Okay, I just want you to get some understanding about the methodology. Okay, I know exactly kind of where the market is going, so I want to position myself with the better chance to come out with the W. Right, we almost at $600 in that trade right so far. $600. Right, so it's 5 something. We're getting a little hesitation, but it's getting close to my take profit. Right, so. If you feel at any time like, okay, I don't want to let go of that profit that I'm in, you can always get out and just hit the close button. You know, if you just want to wait out, see how the system is going to do, go ahead and wait by all means. Remember, we're already $320 in the positive. Now, this would be an indication where I would actually consider getting out because, look, the market's kind of getting about to topple that area right there. So let me clear that out so you can see it pretty good. If it passes this area, then yeah, I'll take the profit that's on the table and probably $200 some at that given point. If it does not pass that level, that red arrow that's there, then I'm just going to sit it out and wait for it to go ahead and hit my stop. Okay, but that's before you take a trade, you should know where you're going to exit at and all your possible exits of why you would actually get out the market. Okay, that's so important to understand and see where we at. Again, we almost $400. All right, now mind you, again, people can't make this type of money in 8 hours of work. All right, we only been in this thing for a few minutes. Okay, so if you're happy with that level of profit, anytime you can get out. But I want you to understand why I'm choosing these different points, okay? And I just want to show you the benefits of actually learning how to trade in a trend, okay? The market is consistent with patterns, so you just got to follow the right pattern, okay? There we go. We almost there, $600, 620, 640, almost 540. Excuse me, 550. Getting a little hesitation there, but I think if we're gonna break down and go ahead, and it's gonna take me out the market here pretty soon. So let's see. There, 680, no, 580, 600, 620. Oh, it's going back and forth. Come on, it's like the little engine that could. I think we might end up this trade probably like around about 630, 640 if it take me out like it's supposed to. So we'll see. 590, 570, 580. There we go. So remember how I said it didn't pass this last point right here. That's why I didn't get out. Okay, so over here, I'm looking if the market don't pass this. If it goes opposite me and don't pass that line right there, the last red arrow, there it go, took me out. So we made $600 some off the trade. We're now $1,000 in the market. Okay, this is the simulation account. Okay, but don't be fooled. This morning I made my profit. Now I'm using this time to educate, right? So this morning out of my live account, you can see that I made something similar, 910. Okay, but I was done at 7 o'clock. I started teaching the rest of the students after that, and now I'm doing more videos so you can kind of see the methodology of how I approach the market. Right, so when you're in the Coffee and Profits program, you'll know that I send out these levels, and these levels are substantially important because you'll know kind of ideally where the market's trying to reach to when you're trading the trend. Okay, those levels are not designed for you to know the very bottom. It's not designed for you to know the very top. It's trying to get you to understand if you trade a trend, more likely that a market is going to hit those different points. You see how I drew that line earlier, and look what it did. It actually hit it, but not that I'm waiting for it to hit the line exactly. I want it coming right before it. All right, would you be happy with $600 off a trade? Right, of course. In a matter of minutes, of course you'll be happy with it. I hope so, unless you're super greedy, right? But you don't have to take it all. Take a great chunk of it and then leave the table. So yeah, if the market opens at 6 o'clock and then I'm trading and I'm done at 7 o'clock, it is not my job to come in there and make it a $2,000 day. You know, see, it hit our level, our ultimate level. It hit it. So I'm just saying, it's not my job to come in there. It's come in there, follow my trading plan, looking at these levels and taking that profit. Okay, whatever you happy with, leaving the table, leave the table and go with the rest of your day. Okay, so right now I'm done with this video. Hopefully this information was very helpful for you to kind of understand how I get into the market and why these profit pivot points are so powerful. All right, if you understand the fundamentals, right? If you love what you see, please like it, subscribe to the YouTube channel, ask questions here on the actual Facebook group. Because I want to be able to answer it. Maybe Cello or other people who's working with me can help you understand what we're looking at in the market. Hopefully you can get in there and start making profits, substantial profit for you and your family. All right. Hey, thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you refer more friends to this content. And I'll see you at the bank. Bye-bye.